How to send an email on Outlook. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send an email on Outlook. So then to send an email on Outlook, you'll need to open up a web browser. Also make sure that you already have an account. After that, on the web address bar, type in outlook.live.com/mail. Make sure that you're logged into your Outlook account. After you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. Now it is as similar as sending an email on a Gmail account. There might be only slight differences, but the format is same. Now, in order to send an email, you need to click on a new mail located in the upper left corner of your screen. It's gonna open up a draft page right over here. So right over here, you need to paste in the Outlook address to whom you're actually making this. Now type in the email. After you've found the Outlook address, type in the subject. Now here you need to type in the message, so you can just directly go ahead and type in hi or maybe dear sir. Type in your message, whatever is the message. And once you've done that, you'll need to give a salutation as well right at the bottom. So just type in thanking you. Now if you're sure about this particular email and if you also want to attach some information, then you can just tap on this arrow icon right on top and then you can attach a file and all that. Click on the send button right over here and then the message will be sent. In this way you can send an email on outlook.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.